inform you that you are now a key suspect in the murder of Jimmy Cruz. You have the right to remain silent until you have a lawyer present. Just wait,
Drop your gun. Take it out. Take it out. Throw it on the ground.
Drop your gun. Drop it here, Santiago. Santiago, throw the gun over here now. Back up. Over by the window. Over by the window.
Anybody moves, I blow her brains out.
You Americans can kill each other all day long. That's what you want.
Are you okay?
This is Stanton. Get me Agent Cooper.
Contracted the site. It's Jess Santiago.
Hey, Jess.
Hey, there's Jimmy Cruz, the club owner. Looks like somebody beat him up and dumped him into bed. He had plenty of enemies.
American enemies?
Probably. This is a Winchester hollow point. New load. Only an American would use it.
A couple of sailors were out target practicing. Doesn't mean that he was murdered here. Where's the connection?
A witness saw 2 Americans and a Filipina take off in a hurry in a Zodiac. The murder happened here. And I bet your month's pay.
Yours or mine? Jess, I'll let you know what we got when it comes back from the lab. There's got to be more. Come on, you guys. Careful. I want to sweep this beach, inch by inch.
You cannot keep me in here. You know that, don't you, huh? You little brown shit. Watch your mouth. Listen to me.
This is America you're talking to. We own this place.
This is my country. This is my jam. And you are my president. Are we clear on that?
I'm sorry. Hindi ko pinalaglag ang bata. Melvin, gusto kong makita ang anak ko. Kung ano man ang maging kapalaran niya. Ipapasa Diyos ko na lang ang lahat. Ang importante, mabigyan siya ng pagkakataong magmahal at mahalin. Kaya ng pagmamahalan natin.
Salamat. Salamat at hindi mo ako sinunod. Gusto ko rin mabuhay ang anak natin.
Utang na ka, wala pa akong ginagawa sa'yo, ah. Ano? Sa akin ka magpaandar, puta ka. Huwag sa kapatid kong bulag, ha? 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 Ano? Kung saan-saan pa namin hinagilap yung putang ina. Nalibing si Itay nang hindi niya nasilip. Anong malay kung namatay si Itay? Hindi niyo naman ako pinasabihan. Saan ka namin kokontakin? Hintot ka! Ipahalugog namin sa pulis lahat ng motel sa buong Metro Manila! Huy! Kinakausap kita! Tangina mo!
Johnny!
Benet!
Johnny!
Benet!
Johnny, ano ba?
Nagbabalik ang malay tao ng tatay mo sa ospital hanggang sa naghihingalo na! Ikaw at ikaw ang hinahanap! Alam mo ba? Nasaan ang putang ina si Benet? Nasaan ang putang ina si Benet? Ha?
Johnny! Johnny, stop it! Johnny, stop it!
Ha ha ha!